Rosebuds, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Rose. I hope you stay tuned and subscribe to my family. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about the KKW and Mario collection. I got it about a week ago in the mail and I have been trying the products out. I haven't really tried out all of the lips. I've only tried a gloss. I have not tried the lipstick, and I have done like a very natural look with the palette as well as a halo smoky kind of eye as well that I posted up on my Instagram. So I wanted to come here on my channel and just pretty much do a look while I am giving you guys my thoughts on the collection, good, bad, whatever. So if you guys want to know my thoughts and all that good jazz and see what kind of look I create, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so everything's done. My whole face and base and whatever is done. This is the palette here. It is very, very, very beautiful. That blue is just to die for. It has all the perfect nudes and shimmers, and it's just a really, 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 really pretty palette to look at. The package is kind of like a velvet feel, like it has a velvet material. It's really, really nice and sleek. I love how it is a gray palette. And then let's not forget the lippies. Like, you guys, the packaging for the lippies is amazing. This frosty gloss, this frosty glass is just amazing, and it pairs perfectly. I cannot talk today. It pairs perfectly with the gray top. I feel like it just has a beautiful sleek look to it. And then for the lipstick, it's just a beautiful frosted look, and I don't know, it's just so pretty to look at, so pretty to look at. So that's the nude. It's a really, really pretty nude shade. Now I would say the gloss is not bad in size. Like, I wouldn't mind this I don't mind. But I'm not used to the lipstick packaging being this tiny. Like, my index finger is like bigger than this. So I wish that the lipstick was kind of like a normal tube size lipstick. I do feel like this is a little tiny in my opinion. The glosses, I think the glosses are pretty good size. And for the glosses, I do like the wand on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but the wand on it is very, very pretty and flexible. So I do like that. And now that I told you guys about the packaging and how much I like the packaging, we're going to go in and just kind of do the eyes. So I think I'm just going to do a very natural, somewhat of a smoky eye with maybe a pop of blue. I don't know, we shall see. Let's see how I'm feeling. So I'm just gonna go right in. My lids are definitely primed, and I'm gonna take my beautiful Benefit mirror that is dirty because of my son. I actually got this at IMATS, so you know, I'm gonna actually start with my brow bone first. And I'm going to take the shade, what's this shade? I think it's called Loyalty, which is this beautiful shimmer shade here. That's what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. And one thing I can say about these shadows, they are very, very creamy. Like, really, really creamy, which I do love. And I mean, I've worn these shadows to work like an all-day basis, and they do last. Like, I have very like wrinkly lids, so sometimes when I'm wearing certain shadows, the oils, and then that's another thing, I have oily eyelids too. The oils from my lids kind of just cause it to start creasing and whatnot, which I hate. So look at that. That is just so beautiful. But these, I feel like they do last. Like, these are really, really good shadows. When I have like a base on, it sticks perfect. Like, it doesn't move, it doesn't budge. It does what I need a shadow to do, which is stay and last long. Alright, so next shade I'm going to take is this beautiful caramel shade, which is this one here. And I believe this is shade Miami. I hope I'm saying the right shades. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade and just start to blend. Now, what I would say with these shadows, when swatching them, they are very, very pigmented. But when you put them on a brush, such as like a blending brush, like you can see it's just a little bit of pigment. It's not much. Like, this is something that, like, the shades I feel like are very buildable. Like, you have to build them if you want them to be very, very, very opaque. Like, I noticed that when I used the blue on my lid, I was just like, where is the pigmentation? Like, everyone just has these beautiful, amazing looks with this blue from the palette, and it's just so pigmented, but I wasn't getting it. And then I was just like, okay, you know what, let me try with my finger and see how that works. And once I put it with my finger, it worked amazing, and it was just beautiful. Now you see here, I kept building, I kept going in, dipping my brush into the pan, and now the pigmentation is exactly where I want it to be. I do like the fact that, you know, it's buildable. Like, it's not too like bam, like once you put the color in and you're just like, oh, okay, now I gotta try to really blend this out. Like, no, like, it blends out so effortlessly. Is that a word? I think that's a word. It blends out so effortlessly that it's just like, okay, I'm not even using my Benefit mirror anymore. But it blends out so good that it's like, okay, blend it out and keep it pushing. Okay, so I think I'm saying the names wrong, because if I'm looking at it right, this cannot be Libra, because then this shade would be bronzy, and that's not a bronzy shade. So I feel as though this would kind of be Decade maybe, and this would be Albanian. This should be Vegas, Libra, and then bronzy, since that is a bronzy shade. You guys, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. I'll have like a little subtitle thing here telling you guys the actual names. So I'm just gonna take this one here, this little rusty brownie shade, and then I'm gonna pop that right into the crease and just blend. And what I mean by blend, that's it, because the colors just mesh so good, you guys. Like, you don't really have to do much. Deepest shade here, which is this one. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start putting this in the outer corner and then bringing it in. I want to really intensify it first here in the outer corner, and then lightly feathering it in. Okay, now this shade, I didn't notice, this one does have some kickback. but not too much. Not too much at all. And there's no fallout at all. So this is what I have now. As you guys can see, it looks so good. The pigmentation is just amazing. I love like how the colors blend so well together. It's like they just melt and marinate into one, which I love. I haven't seen that in a palette in such a long time. So Kim and Mario, you guys did the damn thing with this palette. Definitely have. And you know what? I'm gonna go in with this bronzy shade, and I'm gonna put that on the lid, and I'm just gonna show you guys how, like, when you put it on with a brush, I mean, maybe this one may be different from the blue. Okay, so it's very similar to the blue, but as you guys see, like, it transfers, yes, but it's not like bam, you know? Like, I was expecting it to be like bam, at least with the shimmer shades, because obviously this is a collaboration with Kim and Mario, and I was expecting for the first, well, for the shimmer shades to just be like pop, you know? But when you put it with the finger, then it just pops even more. Before we end this video, we're gonna go ahead and do lips. So this is my first time trying the lipstick. I have not tried it. I did swatch it, and it's very pretty. It's like a really pretty nude. I'm gonna line my lips first though. Going to use, what's this, natural, yeah, so my favorite NYX lip liner in natural, and I actually use this pencil for every nude shade that I wear. So the lipstick is called Classic K. It is very creamy from what I felt on my arm, I mean my hand. It is creamy. Ooh. This is nice. This is like the perfect nude as well. Like, Kim, come out with some more lipsticks with this same formula, girl. I think this is my, like, literally my favorite formula in lipsticks. Because I've never ever tried a lipstick that is so rich and pigmented, but so creamy that it just, like, this melts and hydrates, like, my lips. Like, I love this lip. Ooh, I almost don't even want to put the gloss on top. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to put the gloss on top. I'm going to actually put both. I've tried Juicy on my lips alone, and I'm not going to say that I love the gloss. I do like it. Like, the color is just perfect, especially for like an everyday wear. But I am not a fan of sticky glosses, and this is one of those. It is a sticky gloss, which I do not like. But this is what Juicy looks like. And then I'll just put on the lips. Give it kind of like an ombre. Can I help you, mister? Yeah. Alright, so I do like those two glosses, like, mixed together. Looks really, really pretty. But that's the gloss, you guys. And this is the final look. I do like the collection.
I go and sit down.
I will say. I really do like the collection. The palette is just amazing. I'm so happy that Mario and Kim came out with a collaboration together. I mean, like, he has been an amazing artist to kind of follow and just continuously be inspired by, especially someone like me who just loves makeup and loves doing makeup on other people. And I feel like him and Kim set so many trends in the makeup industry. So I'm so happy that they came out with this collaboration. The glosses, as I said, I don't like the whole sticky formula, especially after it wears off. It leaves a really, really sticky formula, but I will still wear it. Like, it's not a very uncomfortable sticky formula. It's just slightly sticky. So I definitely will continuously wear them. And I'm in love with this lipstick. Like, I'm really, really, really in love with it. And I just hope that Kim in the future comes out with more lipsticks, because this formula, yes, 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 yes. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know if you got the collection, if you like it, your thoughts, and if there's any other collections that you guys want me to try out and review for you guys, and I will do so. And please don't forget to share this video, share it with Kim, kind of tag her and Mario, that way they can see, and all that great jazz. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I will see you in the next video. Mwah.